Alright, so we're talking about microscopic anatomy of the compact bone tissue. By now, you should have already watched 2 videos on Edpuzzle about this microscopic anatomy. They call this the Osteon or the Habersion system. Those are 2 of the same words. So I'm not going to go into too much detail as you've just seen it a couple of times. So please get your guided notes and fill those out along the way here. An osteocyte is a mature bone cell found in lacunae. So we know osteocyte, osteo is bone, cyte is cell, so these bone cells. So there's pictures of osteocytes right here that are not in the lacunae. Lacunae is plural for lacuna. They are tiny cavities that are arranged in concentric circles that are around the central canal or the Habersion canal. These are the same thing. And those rings that go around there are called lamellae, or one lamella. And so in those rings you find the lacunae, these hollow spaces that they're filled with osteocytes. And they're kind of cemented together. The Habersion canal, or the central canal, the lengthwise canal that runs in the middle of each one of these osteons or Habersion systems, and they contain the blood vessels and nerves for the bone tissue. Going into a little bit more detail, histology is another term for the anatomy of a bone, microscopic anatomy. So this system here is called a Habersion system. So one of these big rings here around the central canal, this whole thing here is a Habersion system or an osteon. The canaliculi are going to be the tiny little canals that run through these lamellar rings and connect the lacunae together. So the canaliculi is a fancy term for tiny canals. They radiate or perforate outward from each lacunae, kind of like spider webby looking. You should have this picture. If you don't, ask your substitute for it. There's blanks for you to fill out. You can go ahead and pause this and fill in the blanks with the correct terminology. You can save that for your notes. But over here on the left is the compact bone around the medullary cavity. This would be the diaphysis of a long bone in the medullary cavity. So we're zooming in on this section right here up in the corner. You can see the medullary cavity here. There's some blood supply and nerve supply in the middle. A little bit of spongy bone on right inside there, and then we have the compact bone surrounded by the periosteum. You can see blood supply going into the compact bone. These are called perforating canals that go outward, and they each connect to a central canal. Those are the blood supply. So you have one osteon here, an osteon here, an osteon here, an osteon here. And you can see those concentric circles that go around there, the lamellae. Each one of those has several lacunae in them, and those lacunae you can see down here each have the osteocytes within them. So here you can see the osteocytes and the lacunae connected by the canaliculi.